So let's walk through. Construction stuff going on. Hoping to get this started soon. Just checking to see what we are going to be dealing with. And as you can see, all right. So let's see. Just a little bit, not too much. So that's this. And there's two sides to this apartment. All right. So that's it. And that's the floor. This is what we will have to be dealing with. It's a little bit of a stain on the floor. So we're used to that. Let's check out the next one. So it's this one too. Halfway there, not there yet. What's up, bro? Long time no see. Long time no see.
See, man.
How you doing?
Shit.
I didn't know you was the one working up in here.
Yeah, brother Justin. Yo, you got some cleaning, dog.
I got some cleaning.
Yeah, man. These fucking guys, mad dirty in the bathroom and shit, bro.
I look forward to this. We like, whoa, damn, bro. Sheesh. God damn. All right. Whew.
That wasn't my point, How you been, Brucey?
Bro, I've been good, man.